Alright, so what's going on, everyone? I think we have another stock that we're going to add to our portfolio today. You guys can see it as Undervalued Networks. We're going to add this to the portfolio. This one might take a while because I'm going to show you that this stock is bouncing at a ceiling and it might get rejected a couple of times before we actually see this stock try to break out. Welcome to the channel. Hit that like, share, and subscribe as always for more of our stock picks. This is what we do here for this particular channel. We only show you the stocks that we suspect are going to go higher. And these are not going to be the run-of-the-mill stocks that people talk about consistently on this platform, but rather these are going to be stocks that you probably never have heard of. But just to show you that these stocks also move and you can make money from them as well, we're going to document it on this particular platform. So make sure you guys hit that like, share, and also subscribe. So now let's talk about Undervalued Networks. Okay. Now we're going to look at this on the 5-weekly chart. Then we're going to place this price prediction on the 5-weekly chart. And you can currently tell that even in the midst of all of these 5-weekly price bars that Undervalued has been trying to go lower, it didn't. It finally gave us a pretty good healthy price bar on this last printed 5-weekly price bar. That caught my eye and I was like, yeah, we might need to go ahead and add this to the portfolio. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to document where these buyers are, because these buyers were relentless and not letting the price break below 20 bucks. Here are also two other buy pockets for Undervalued. Okay, now very firm area. The market has been making higher highs as well on the long-term charts, which is something that we like to see if we're anticipating a higher progressive move of price. Okay, so now the reason why I say we may have a couple of issues before this market tries to break out in Undervalued, this stock is being set up now. This area right here was acting as resistance. We moving up a little bit higher. It's right here now. Okay. This is why I'm telling you that we may see this stock take a while before it tries to break out, because we got these sellers or these prior area of support, or i.e. buyers were trying to support price in Undervalued, and then it ultimately fell. Price crashed below that area. Now price is coming back. So that is probably the only thing that is keeping this stock from really breaking out. It's these sellers right there. So I just want to put everybody on notice for that. Now, outside of that, I think the market has potential to come to like 33.50 to like 34 bucks. So I think we're going to try to target that area for Undervalued. Here it is on the 3 weeks. I want to see how this current 3-weekly price bar prints. If it closes at the high of the bar, then we're going to anticipate the market in Undervalued to go higher. Okay, so we're going to make that into a sell pocket. And then here's the next one right here. Okay, so let's look at this on the 2 weeks. Okay, so everything looks pretty good on the 3 and the 2. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, so nothing too much there. Just the fact that we are now trading at an area of resistance, or a place that was once acting as support, now it's acting as resistance. We need to see price break that. Okay, that's the only thing that is currently in the way of this market breaking out and going higher. So we're just going to be on the lookout for that as we add this to our portfolio. So like I said, we're going to play this on the weekly chart, 5-weekly chart. Now, our first target is going to be here, $30.05 or so, all the way up there towards 32. Okay, that's 22% move higher. Then our second target is going to be right here, 33.63, 28.5. The market really becomes bullish, which I'm not really looking at, 37.31. So matter of fact, let me bring that back down. Let's run this down here. 33.52, around there. And that is it. I am done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different. Now, if the market breaks this first buy pocket, we may definitely get rid of it, because this is a surefire area that we know buyers are at. And if these buyers leave and price comes down and breaks through it, we might need to go ahead and let it go. Let me know your thoughts. All right, cool. So now let's go ahead and add this to our portfolio. Today's the 10th. The ticker symbol is AVNW. AVI Networks. Last price is $26.09. There it is. We got it. So we went ahead and updated our portfolio yesterday. And these are the other 3 stocks that have already hit our ultimate TP price. We're still watching the rest of them. Same thing with the ones that we added in December. So we'll keep watching these stocks that are still here to see if they're performing well. If they're not, we'll dump them. If they are, we'll keep them. Just that simple. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.